Hey, I have been watching you from behind. How did you create entire report under 5 minutes?
Simple, because I've been using the latest AI features of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm able to do all of this work just under 5 minutes.
Can you please teach me the same?
Absolutely, I can.
Today we are going to see how we can calculate the students' total and average marks with the help of ChatGPT and Python. I'll be using the Google Colab. Let's go into the work, guys. And I'll be, as I said, as I will be using the Google Colab. And this is my directory, which I'll be using. This is the Google Colab notebook. I'll be executing the code. And so this is the input file. Okay, it's loading. Just to hold up. So guys, see, we have student name. Okay, what are the marks like maths, physics, chemistry, total, and average? So here are the students like Ben, Raj, Tom. So in maths, he has scored 75, 87, 98. Similarly, for physics, he has scored 45, 67, 56. Chemistry, so and so. Okay, guys. So we need to calculate what is the total of Ben. We need to calculate what is the total of Raj, and we need to calculate what is the total of Tom. Okay, that is total marks. In addition to that, we are going to calculate average of these three students. Okay, so this is the sheet, and what this chat we are going to do with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so this ChatGPT should create a new file, and in this place of total, it should add the total marks, average, and it should update it here. Okay, that is our task. So we are going to do with the help of Python. Okay, guys. So I am closing this, and let me go to this chat GPT. So in GPT-4, I have used the advanced data analysis, and here I am attaching the files. Okay, that input file. Like this is the file which we have seen over here. So here comes the important part. Okay. So we are going to enter the prompt. So the entering of prompt is very essential, and how we prompt, there comes the important thing. Okay. Anyway, for understanding purpose, I will keep this sheet open. When I execute the code, I will close it, because when the files are open, when the program is executing, it may hamper the process. So, okay. So guys, so I'll be, this is our B. Okay. This is B1, C1, D1. Okay. So B2, so B3, B4. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I'm going over here, and this is the Excel sheet, and we need to go to the ChatGPT part. Okay. So I have attached. Now let's see students' names. Okay. I'll be putting Sarat, where it is B1, C1, and D1, right? As I said, B1, C1, and D1. Okay. So B1, B1, C1, D1. Okay. And we need to calculate the total marks, right? Calculate the total marks from B2, B3, B4. Okay, so here is the B2, B3, B4. Okay, this is we need to calculate. Okay, that's a part of we are written here. B4, and sum it up, and sum it up at B5. Okay, so it should sum it up here. Okay, at B5. This is the B5. Okay, you can see over here, and and we need to calculate the average also, right? And calculate the average for B2, B3, B4, right? B2, B2, B3, B4. We need to find the average over here, right? Average for B2, B3, B4 at B6, because it should be here, right? B6 is here, B6. Okay. And then B6. Similarly, we need to do the same. Let's see, do the same above total and an average for C2, C3, C4. C2, C3, C4, and that has to be calculated in these two things. Okay, so C2, C2, C3, and C4, and we need to do for D2, D2, right? This also we need to do D2, D3, D4. Then only the term details will be updated. And D2, D3, comma D4. Okay. And we need to update we need to what? See, now this is, it will only calculate the average and the total. I am requesting it to update in a new Excel sheet. Okay, it should create a new file and it should update it. Okay, so update the above total and average in a new Excel sheet. Okay, so our prompt is ready. Okay, now we need to execute. Okay, the simple thing, a code we have given in a prompt way. So it is going to give for us the Python code. We are going to add those things in a Google Colab. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, follow these steps, read the file, and it is giving the instruction. Okay, so that you can add this as a pseudo code if you are creating some projects. Definitely it will help you. Okay, so if you look over here, it is using the pandas and first it has read. So initially, if you see over here, there are no details. Okay, and after that, we will come to know. Like, see, in this part, it has calculated the total and average. If you look over here, NaN means not up. Okay, it is no values are there, empty, how it was earlier. Okay, and now it is with all the total has been calculated for Ben. For Raj, the total and average has been calculated. Okay, for Tom. So how do you feel, guys? I hope you are liking this video, right? So if you would like to know more about this and the other AI tools, okay, click the link in the below description. It will take you to our workshop and you will deep dive and you will explore more about this and other AI tools. Okay, it will cover all the aspects of our life because it will improve your productivity and efficiency. It helps in better decision making skills. And also it will help definitely for programmers. It helps in problem solving and innovation. Okay, so hurry up and don't miss the chance. Once you join and start using this AI tools, you will really see the benefit and how it's helping you in your day-to-day activities to reach you 10x productive. Okay, guys, so don't miss it. Now let's go into our coding part. As I have said, here is our coding part. Okay, so I am just copying this code. You can use Google Colab or you can use Jupyter. You can use Visual Studio Code or whichever Spider, whichever IDE you want to do. You can use it. All depends on which you are comfortable and what your organizations is preferring. Okay, so I am taking this location because this is my location where my input file is there. So I am pasting it over here, else it will not understand where the input file is. Okay, so now I'm executing. Okay, so as I said, the details, how earlier it was Ben, Raj, Tom, their details, and total is 0. NaN means 0. Now let's go to the next part. Same thing. Okay, now it is doing the basic calculation. I will now calculate the total and average for each student and the marks on the given in the rows for maths, physics, and chemistry. Okay, so I'm copying this code, what it is doing. If you're not aware of, if you're means a beginner, if you're not aware how to what this Python is doing, take this code, paste it in the ChatGPT, explain. Ask what this code is doing. It will explain you in a layman term. Okay, you can easily understandable. It can act to you like a tutor also. Okay, I'm copying this code, going here, then I'm executing. So it has calculated 218, 230, 253, 72, 76, 84. These are the, what to say, total marks and the average. You can check it. Okay, the same, it's true. Okay, so now we need to, what we need to do, it has to be uploaded in the new Excel sheet, right? So I'm taking it. Okay, so this is for the updating in the new Excel sheet. Now see correctly guys, if you can look into the calculator, or if you add these three parts, you will get the total. And if you add these three, you will get the total. You will get the total for Tom. Okay, and this is average. So imagine guys, if without AI tool, okay, if they are telling you, I want you to do this code. Imagine you want to add the three numbers. Engineers differs in logic, right? So, but imagine how quickly it has got it actually with a reference modification it has used. We'll be thinking in a different way, but it has given the hint also. Okay, for each student, update the total row, and this is for the update the average. So how it is giving the, like, see, it has used sum. Mean means what? It is like an average. Okay, you can try out for median. Okay, like that you can try out. So that is the advantage of this AI tool. Okay, so just let me take this part. This is the place where our output should be. You can give, see, it has given like updated. You can keep, see, it has defaultly, it has given some name. Okay, the updated underscore total AVG is the name it has given. If you would like to change the name, you can change it over here. Okay, I am keeping it as AVG1. Okay, instead of AVG1. So in this place, this will be saved. Okay, now let's execute. Okay, it has been executed. So this is, as I said, this is my location, directory location. It is saving over here. Let's see. Once again, let's buffer. It will. Yeah. So updated total AVG1 I have added, right? That one is here. If you want to add one more, some other file also, one means keep some other name, execute only this part, that will be updated. Because output path will be present over here. Okay, whatever the content that the DF2 output path, those things will be there. Okay, because this the DF will be the key, the data frame. Okay, so now let's see the file it has created. Now let's open and check. Wow, that's great. Test calculated. See, student name. This is the total. This is the total for Raj thing, and it also calculated with the average. Okay, so it is a new file. Okay, so see guys how in a fraction of not even 5 minutes, I think so, right? It has given you this result. The same way you can explore it for further things also. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't miss to click the link in the below description for workshop. Okay, and see you again. Take care. Bye bye.